Hi there, and welcome back to spreadsheetpoint.com. In this brief video, I'm going to explain how to use the Excel choose function, what it does, how it works, and how it can save you some time. So the syntax for the choose function is quite simple. It allows you to select from a series or a list of different options, a numbered item within that list. Let me show you how this works. So I'm going to start with equals. I'll bring in the function choose. Let's say I have a list of 5 different types of foods, and I want it to return the third one that I put in. The first thing you're going to do is enter in the index number. So I'm going to put 3. Then I'm going to list out the 5 different foods. If they're text, you must put the options in quotation marks. So I will use banana, and then separated by a comma, apple, steak, pasta, and French fries. You'll see it brings back steak because I've chosen number 3. Let's say I want to bring back the first option in this list of values. I will select 1, and then you can see it brings back banana. On this next tab, I'm going to show you some specific examples of how you can use it in perhaps some real life scenarios. Let's say I have a list of months down here. And let's pretend this is a little dashboard. The user could enter the months that they want to return. Let's say I want to return the third month. You'll see how the formula chooses here, and it brings back March. In this example, I have the choice number as a cell reference, D1. And then the list of values are cell references as well. That is a good thing about choose, is that you can use cell references as examples of the list, as well as the numbered selection. So from there, the user could select the month that they perhaps want to see statistics for on the dashboard, June. And then it could bring up the statistics in June using some other formulas. This simplifies situations where you are using complex if statements. For instance, the same way to do this, you could say, if cell equals 1, then put Jan. If this cell equals 2, then Feb. If this cell equals 3, then March, and so on. This choose function simplifies that, where you would just enter the number that you want, and it returns the month. Similar example over here, I have a list of names. And let's say this is their sales, and this is the person. So we have 1 down here, just like this. Okay. Let's say this is the dashboard here. So I want to choose the 5th person. You'll see it brings back Maria. And then you could have a lookup function where it brings in her amount. We will go over lookup functions in other videos, but this is a brief explanation of the choose function and how it can save you some time. It reduces complexity, it's pretty easy to use, and it is flexible and dynamic. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more advice, check out spreadsheetpoint.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.